Welcome at the demonstration of a hybrid document modeling software. In this video I will show you how our solution integrates with your Infor product, also known as Baan. Document modeling, printing and distribution was never this easy. First, we will highlight the features of this package. After that, we will demonstrate this on ERPLn. We also have installations running on older versions. Let us have a look what is included in the package. To generate documents, we used open source software from Eclipse. This gives free access to numerous functionalities, supported by multiple active websites and forums. Your business documents will be based on exactly the same layout. Your business partners experience one corporate identity. Next to Adobe Acrobat PDF, documents can be generated in common formats as Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel. Documents generated in the past can be reviewed, reprinted, or redistributed, not an hidden option, but available as a button for any end user. Documents can be either generated on the screen, or directly sent to the business partner. On top of generation of documents, the package will add functionality to add flexible text to documents. This way, you can prepare documents with, for example, standard text per company, or standard text per business partner. Finally, you can even review, update, or add custom text for the specific document. This, and many more, can all be done by the end user. After our software package has been installed, I can include this functionality in any session where document printing is required. The document session can then be accessed in multiple ways, that is, via the print icon, via the specific menu, or even available via a shortcut key. And of course, integration in the existing document reports is an option. This means simple integration within your ERP application, without the risk on problematic future updates. We do not set any limitation or restrictions, like number of documents, number of layouts or number of users. I will continue the video with a demo of printing and preparing a sales order confirmation. After the documents session is started, you can directly find different functional areas in the screen layout. In the top area, the document type can be selected. Normally one document per session is set up, but multiple documents can be defined. The output format is here PDF by default, yet, the user can choose other formats as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, or even Microsoft PowerPoint. Then, the document language can be chosen. This will be defaulted to the business partner language. This is based on business partner contact information. This language can be overwritten by the user. Even multiple languages can be selected. In case of multiple languages, multiple documents will appear. After this area, you can find the option to directly send to a business partner. This option can be enabled or disabled via system settings. If this direct send option is used, business partner delivery destination will be fetched with priority per destination. This can be set up in master data. Please note that by enabling the option, the business partner information is used. In the demo example, email is set up with highest priority. This means this destination will be used if the email is set up correctly. If the send to BP is unchecked, then my own user email will be used again. Of course, this needs to be set up correctly too. In the output options area, multiple output destinations can be selected. The generated document will then be sent to all selected destinations. A default output option can be set up, per user, per document. In the print area, the document session can be even customized with user-defined fields. Multiple yes/no fields, string fields, or numeric fields can be used. In the bottom area, the related document master data is displayed. This data is fetched based upon flexible queries, which can be changed per installation. I will now generate an example document. To generate the document, I simply choose the Print button. This process will merge data with the BIRT report design. This means, the corporate layout is applied, which can include flexible images, conditional formatting, and more. Please note that the BIRT document engine runs on Apache Tomcat. This software is also used for ERP WebTop. This means, our solution can be hosted on existing servers. After a few seconds, the document is generated on the server, then it will appear in Internet Explorer, or any other application used in your environment. We prefer usage of Internet Explorer, as this application supports next to default PDF, also Microsoft Word and Excel. Normally, the PDF is copied to the local workstation and then displayed. The document can also be opened via UNC path. In this demo we used the local PDF. Of course, we will store all documents that are generated on a file server. A folder hierarchy can be set up per installation. This gives the possibility to review generated documents from the past. This can be done via the Doc History button in the document session. If we look more in detail to the generated document, you can see that sales order lines are one at another highlighted for better overview. Next to this, special strike-through formatting has been applied to a cancelled line. This, and many more, is possible using the free BIRT software. Now, I can start to play with the document content and format. I can generate the document in Microsoft Word by choosing the appropriate option. Or, next to the default language, I can open the document in other languages simultaneously. And this all can be again found and opened via the Doc History session. Now, I would like to add text to thank the customer for the order. In first instance, I will do this only for this order specifically. I can do this via the Doc Texts button. In here, I can find several text areas for adding of text. These text areas can be defined per installation. Text areas can be set up in the system, depending on your corporate document layout. I will add some document-specific text that needs to appear directly next to the general data. In my demo layout, I have to use the 25HS area. I can add the text in multiple languages. The business partner language has highest priority. I will add the text in default English. This text is added via the existing standard text module. After this, I have to save this text. If I now generate the document again, the new text should appear. Now, instead of adding this text for only one document, I would like to add this text to all my sales confirmations of this company. In order to set this up, I will use the Doc Master Text button. Now pay attention. In master texts, I can define, based on a certain set of master data, different text per document. In this demo, I will set up a financial company text in the same area, with content that slightly differs from the previous text. Please note, I can even define a valid from and a valid through date. This way, I can make the text appear within limited time frames, applicable for example, Christmas wishes. Now that the master text is set up, I need to reopen the session. This way, the default master text will be copied to the document texts. As you can see, the new text appears in the document text. The origin of the master text is indicated in the source column. Now, we approve the document for distribution. This means, it can be sent directly to the business partner via the option on the document session. I will select the Send to BP option. The output destination will be searched in the business partner master data. In this case, the master data is not set up correctly. Please note, the system prevents you from sending a document to an empty destination. We need to set up the master data, so we can send the document directly to the business partner. After this setup is done, the session will pick up the correct data, after checking the Send to BP again. If I now choose the Print option, the document should appear in the customer's mailbox. Layout of the email can be defined per document type, per company, per language. Corporate logos can be included. This automatic sending can be done per document, but also in batch. In order to achieve batch printing, this solution can be included on the traditional standard reports. In this demo, I will print another order via the traditional sales order confirmation report. After starting the standard report, I have to use a predefined device to trigger the print mechanism. In this demo, I have to use the view device. Instead of opening the traditional layout, the centrally generated PDF will be displayed. I can also run an invoice batch, with multiple invoices. Documents will be individually generated, and, where necessary, distributed. yet, for the end user, they are combined in one PDF. As you can see, this solution can be seamlessly integrated in all Baan modules, without any additional costs. Next to business documents, we also implemented this solution for warehouse pick lists and production order documents, with barcode support. Finally, the functionality and power of the BIRT Report Designer is quickly demonstrated by an example. The aim is to demonstrate that a change of layout can now be done by your local IT organization. In this example, I would like to simply align the company logo more to the right. For this, I need to access a workstation with the BIRT Report Designer installed, in this case, our corporate BIRT Designer workstation. After logging in and opening the design, I simply change alignment of the relevant table cell in the report design. After I save the report design, I will distribute this via a simple batch script to the central Apache Tomcat installation. After distribution, the change will directly be active in the ERP environment. Please note that this solution not only works on demonstrated webtop, this also works on worktop. And, next to the preferred Internet Explorer, any application can be used to display the PDF. For example, we can change the application to Google Chrome, and the PDF will still be displayed. Finally, the following remarks. This video was based on Infor ERPLn, FP7. The hybrid document modeling solution can be backported to any older version of Infor ERP, or Baan. Our solution is Windows platform-oriented. Next to Webtop, this was successfully released on worktop environments. The system is working on local, area network, and also on wide, area network. We have implementations, where clients in Asia Pacific can generate documents on a Baan application server in Europe, and vice versa. Thank you for your time and attention.